So friend computer hardware, this is my series here, and I will continue this my computer hardware series. So I am already told you basic computer parts and basic computer knowledge related videos. So types of computer, what is the types of computer and different ways you can see just here. Computer use and work here. Okay, what is a supercomputer and what is a mainframe computer? Why using embedded computer? What is the hardware and all of related videos. What is the software and software related? You can see just the software and basic computer parts related videos. This software computers and types of computer devices. You can see just this is a very important for you. So input device, output device, storage device, and how much type devices I'm already. So we are learn about only first computer hardware parts, mouse. Okay, and after one by one I will discuss keyboard, monitor, CPU, motherboard, hard disk, RAM, and other extra. So mouse device, I'm last previous video I'm already created related mouse and basic parts. My last past video, very previous video, very important for you. Other you cannot understand. So watch one by one part wise video and completely take knowledge. So today I'm now about we are learn about completely types of mouse. So let's start this video. So friend, before start my video, I will give one type of message for you. So how you visit my channel? So why this type online touch this channel and click on search, and you can see this type my logo. Click on
So
here and
this is
you can visit my this channel. Okay, everything you want information related, computer related, advanced computer hardware, network, software, everything playlist I am already created. So click on playlist and you can see you want any computer hardware related information, computer network courses related information. So click on and visit my playlist, and I'm continuously one by one time to time I'm update my new video and upload video. So you can very good knowledge for increase your knowledge and very important for information for you are computer beginner. So you can select control panel options and other Microsoft already uncreated videos. So you can see this is control panel, everything information give in my video. You can see this is a very important for you. Windows operating 7, 8, 9, Windows 10.
so friends, this
Every
is a
your operating system you can control using it. This is a very important setting. So operating system related information I'm already created in this my video. So you can see this is a very important for you, and you visit my other playlist. You can see Windows 7 basic related. What is a Windows 7? What is a Windows 7 inside the settings and information related I'm already created. What is a 64-bit? What is a 32-bit? So I'm already created everything. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, because every time I
this is my
upload new videos, so first notify and first notification message in your mobile computer. So click on subscribe, click on like button and visit other my playlist. So thank you. So you can see just here this is the first mouse, first technology in this computer world, trackball type mouse. What is a trackball type mouse? Trackball type is old technology by trackball, and this technology lot of 1980 to 1995 are changing. So 1918 to start 1995 trackball type mouse, and old generation, very old type 1918 to. So I will discuss in this video trackball type mouse in this series, and how many type trackball type using parts of different device, and after what create a new and functions and related video. So how this trackball type move, range video, and and tracking devices, mouse points, and moving and dropping, and different ways of work. So I will discuss these old generation type technology, trackball type mouse, and trackball technology, how it's work, and what the difference between trackball type to this generation type mouse. I will discuss one by one. Okay, so first we are understand about trackball type mouse. Second is optical mouse. So second technology coming and replace this technology, trackball optical mouse. This is a optical mouse is modern technology. It is using optical sensor light with a wire and wireless mouse. So this generation time using optical mouse and optical technology. So optical technology is a modern technology, and it is using optical sensor light with pistol ICs and sensors using wireless system available. So optical how using and how what is a optical mouse inside different wires work in the system. So I will continue this optical mouse and continue this one by one part of optical systems, and what give a new feature available to replace time trackball type to optical mouse. And optical mouse have different devices functions and functionality related to video. So one by one I will discuss optical mouse related to sensor type mouse. Okay, third is touchpad type mouse. This is a modern technology, and this is a very cool and very helpful for technology. Touchpad type, you can see just your touchpad type is the latest technology and using a touchpad most used in the laptop system and screen touch. So touchpad type mouse, you are already know about laptop technology, and laptop UI control mouse, left, right, anything right you going. So it is a laptop system using a touchpad technology, and screen touch is one type of mouse or one type of mouse technology using. So touch screen is a one type of accessory or mouse items type systems. Fourth is a very and very latest and very high technology sensor type mouse. Sense your position and left, right, any side hand, and very important is their sensor type technology. So this is a latest type technology type of mouse used for very easy to work for sense your hand, finger, and optimize current location point place. Very important. So how the sensor type mouse working, and how watching, and how many type available sensor type this generation. So sensor type is one type of very easily but very work hand finger type using systems, and I will discuss one by one these sensor type mouse video. So next time I will continue this topic on this technology, trackball type technology. Okay, trackball type, what is a trackball type, and trackball type is very important for very long time using old generation time. So this is how work and what inside a trackball type technology, and what is it is a trackball, and how many type available trackball systems. So I will discuss one by one related parts trackball type technology old generation. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on bell icon, and you are not click on bell icon, so YouTube not send new notification my new video by YouTube. So you must click on bell icon and click on like for my motivation. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. I will continue this topic trackball type mouse. So have a nice day. I will continue this video. So thank you.